Etiaga is a first-class municipality in the province of Isabela that is rich in culture and heritage. It is home to the yoga people who embodies the traits of a warrior, hence the Etiaga Mengal Festival. The Mengal Festival is a month-long festivity celebrated in October that started in the year 2016. Initiated by the municipal mayor, Honorable Francis Faustino AP, it is a culture-based festivity in the whole Region 2, Cagayan Valley, that aims to preserve, conserve, develop, protect, and promote Etiaga Yoga's culture, arts, and heritage. Please welcome once again the Etiaga Mengal Cultural Dance. There you have it, the Etiaga Mengal Cultural Dance Troupe. We would like to thank the following, for without whom this meaningful participation would not be possible.